Good morning children, back to the class. So before we start our lesson, let us recall the previous class what we have discussed. That was lesson number 18 about the old man, how he felt that he was going to die, listening of the sage words. Actually the sage wanted the old man to realize that death will not be in our hand. So when it comes, how it comes, nobody knows. So he wanted the old man to realize, but the old man has realized at last. Not even he recognized that he did not die. Just he was laying down on the floor, and when the mill owner came and begged him, then he told him, "Thank you for bringing me back to life." So he felt that he already dead. That was the old man means that much only he can think. That was the story about that. So today let us see the new different story, that is about the little mouse. One little mouse, how it turned her life into the different variations. What happened in the little mouse life and all we will be discussing in this class. So take care of the page number 95. English second. So now you see, on the bank of river Ganga lived a great sage. So here also one great sage is living near the bank of river Ganga. One day when the sage was meditating, what he was doing? He was meditating, dhyan mein. So we can say dhyan mein. So he is meditating. While he was meditating, a little mouse fell into his lap. A kite had dropped it from above. So one kite has dropped the little mouse to the ground. That was directly came, and the sage was closing his eyes and meditating. So it came over his lap. So then when he saw, at first the sage felt irritated. Means when we see the mouse or anything, immediately we feel irritation. So that some kind of insects we don't like cockroach, rat or mouse, any other type. So when we caterpillar, like this, when we see, we don't like it. The same thing, first when he has seen, he was little irritated. But soon he felt pity on that helpless little mouse. So the little mouse was helpless because it is very small, it cannot run very fast, and it was helplessly sitting on his lap. The sage turned it into a lovely girl child. So what the sage has done, when he has realized that the little mouse is feeling helpless, then immediately he has changed the little mouse, because the sage and all they have the powers. Then immediately he has changed the little mouse into the little girl child. Meditate means, what is the meaning? Meditate. So worship. Worship. Irritated means, what is the meaning of irritate? Make annoyed. So make annoyed, we can say annoyed. So make annoyed. So this is the immediately what he has done. He has felt, first he felt irritation, then after that he realized soon the little mouse is feeling helpless. Then he turned into the baby girl child, lovely girl child. He called his wife. He always wanted a daughter. So he called his wife. Then he is telling, after calling the wife, he is telling, "You always wanted a daughter. Take her as your daughter." The wife was overjoyed. So when the sage said, he called his wife and told, "You wanted the girl child. So now you take. I am giving you the girl child." The lady was very happy because she likes the girl child. That is the reason. The wife was overjoyed. She took the little girl into the house. So उसको घर लेके गए. The sage wife looked after the girl with care and love. So प्यार से इतना ध्यान देते हैं. So lovingly and giving the care or taking care of the baby. So when the small baby at home, how your mother and father will be taking care of the small baby? They will not keep her here and there. They will give a lot of importance to that baby. That may be a boy or girl. So the lady also here started taking lot of care and love she was giving to that baby child. The girl grew to be a pretty young woman. So the girl started to grow. When she has grown up, then how she was when she was grown up? She was very pretty young woman she became. So the sage and his wife started searching a suitable match for the young woman. Now she has grown up. When in the life, this is only happened. When we are small, they will be taking care. After that, they will send us to the school. They will give all whatever needs we need. Everything the parents will be fulfilling. Then when we grow up, then they will think of they should be settled in life. So marriage. So the same way, the sage and his wife also started thinking about the young woman's marriage. The sage decided that the most powerful man in the world could marry her. He searched for the mightiest, led him to the sun god. So what he thought, he was searching here and there different. He wanted to give such a strong and powerful man. He wanted to bring and marry his daughter. So that's why he was thinking different whom I will call. Then he felt in his mind, sun god is the mightiest. He is the more powerful than anyone. Then my daughter wants to marry. So he called him. Then he told, my daughter wants to marry the most powerful man, said the sage. He called the sun god. He meditated with his power. He called sun god and he is asking when the sun god came. He is asking there. What he is asking? My daughter wants to marry the powerful man. Then the sun god spoke. I am not the mightiest. The cloud is able to cover me. The cloud is stronger than me. So the sun god, what sun god said? You are thinking that I am the mightiest, I am a powerful, but the clouds can you see on the sky? So the cloud is covering me. So when we see the sun, sometimes the clouds will come and cover the sun. We see. So sun god also said that only. Sun, I am a powerful, you are telling, but the cloud is more than me powerful because the cloud can cover me. When the cloud covers, my power will not come to the earth. So then again he started thinking, the sage. Then soon the cloud was stormed and the sage repeated the same request, his request. What he has requested the sun god first. Same way here also he started to request. Then again what the sun god this cloud said. The cloud said, I am not the mightiest. Again, cloud cloud I am not powerful. I am not mightiest. The wind can carry me along. So when the very heavy wind comes, all the clouds will be disappearing here and there. So he said, the cloud here said, I am not the mightiest. The wind can carry me along. So once the strong wind comes, you people cannot see me where I am also. So the wind is powerful than me, the cloud said. The next was the turn of the wind. The sage, to the sage's request, he said, pardon me, your holiness, I am not mightiest. I am easily stopped by the mountains. So he told, please pardon me, sage, you are asking me, आप पूछ रहे हैं अपना व्यक्ति से शादी करने के. So but I am not a powerful, I am not a strong because the mountains can stop my power. This very big mountains are there. So when the very strong wind it is doing or going, then if the mountain is there, it just reacts back. So here he said, you are thinking that I am powerful, but more than me, the mountain is powerful, because the mountain can stop my power. Immediately it stops. So I just return back. How much force I give and go front. If the mountain is in front of me, means I cannot go ahead. So the mountain pushes me back, he said. The sage approached the mountain only to hear the reply. I am not the mightiest. I am made weak by the holes made by the mouse on the base. You are telling that I am, everybody is telling that they are not. But the wind said to you that I am powerful, but I am becoming weak. अभी हम कमजोर बन कमजोर means you know I am becoming weak. क्योंकि because नीचे से hole बना रहे कौन mouse. So where it came to the mouse. Mouse is making the holes down. So I am becoming weak. Then one day I will fall down. So then how can you say that I am strong? Then she said, I am not the mountain also said that he is not powerful. Then came the mouse to the ashram. So then came the mouse to the ashram. The mouse came to the ashram. He liked the sage daughter. He was ready to marry her, but one condition. So the mouse came, the sage has requested the mouse, okay, I will come and see your daughter. देखने के बाद हम शादी करेंगे. लेकिन आ गया है, देख लिया है, पसंद भी हो गया. So they liked each other. But the mouse kept the small condition. Oh small, I will marry only the she mouse. मैं दूसरे को means human being को हम शादी नहीं कर सकते. She mouse है तो हम शादी करेंगे. So he wanted to marry only the she mouse. Then the sage stopped up. He made a circle in the air. So in the air, he made just like a one circle. Then he kept his daughter in this circle. Then what happened with his finger in the air? The next moment, the young woman disappeared in her place. There was a she mouse. So immediately the young beautiful woman disappeared from there, and she became as a she mouse. Actually first when she born, it was a little mouse, girl mouse. So she mouse, it was a baby mouse. So it became turned into the she mouse now. Then, so both of them went into the jungle and lived very happily. So after going back, they both became the mouses. They both married. Then after that, the sage has sent them to the jungle. Then they lived a happy life. So dear children, this is your lesson. I hope you have understood how the mouse turned into the girl. Girl became a young pretty lady. Then again she turned into the she mouse and married the he mouse and went to the jungle happily and lived. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Please read the lesson one more time so that it will be helpful for you and you can understand little more